In front of me is LENOVO Yoga Tab Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by accessing Play Store and downloading free app called DevCheck device and system info. When it's ready, launch it. It has to be from Floor to Developer. Then thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!